What I do really enjoy the most is the ability to make connections with our users and the global exposure on our clients and partners. I think it's a very fulfilling experience when you can guide them to make use the most out of the SimaPro software. In one word, that would be engaging, because every day is a brand new day with its own dynamic. You get to be involved in many different projects, collaborate with other teams. What I also really like is you are not always busy with professional stuff, but you have a lot of room to develop and grow yourself personally, and I think that's really lovely. What motivates me is the fact that I'm not only helping users troubleshooting their issues, but also to empower them, to nurture them, to really think along with them in every step, and eventually even prevent the issue in the first place. So I think that's making me really looking forward to do the work. It can be quite a challenge when the user requests go beyond our offerings and capacities. Can also be quite tricky to manage users' expectations. But when we know that we can provide them with the right solutions, with the right tool, and they're satisfied with our service, I think that's really rewarding. And also the fact that I'm also contributing to promoting fact-based sustainability and helping clients making informed decisions, that's always really pleasing. We always meet new clients, solve new cases, and from there we always learn something new. And aside from doing support, we're also involved in many projects, testing, creating contents and materials. So yeah, it's pretty dynamic and it's really fun. To me, prayer is warm and not hierarchical at all. Every voice matters, and prayer is all ears. I think the company really invests in creating connection and building tight-knit community. So individuals are celebrated and everyone feels like they have a place at a company. And I think it's a really strong core at Pray.